Photobacks magazine cover editor, and then each one of these buttons will do something different. You'll notice very quickly we have cut out head, create shading layer, and cut out head and create shading layer. Let's say you add your photo, you want to cut out the head. This is how this action works. Very, very easy. Select the photo and then just click cut out head, and then Photoshop should do a very nice job of doing this for you. And it's going to take that selection and bring it all the way to the top of your layer stack and add a layer mask. So next you want to go to your Marquee tool. Here at the top, I simply create a selection of everything I don't want to see on this layer. Your colors will automatically put black in the background after running this action. You'll be on the mask, and so all you have to do is press delete on your keyboard to add black to that mask to block everything else out. Very quickly, I'm going to go to cut out head and create shading layer. This one will only create the shading layer. In this case, I want to cut out the head, bring it to the top, and also create a shading layer so I can add some shadow behind some of the type. So let's click that. Let's let Photoshop run its magic here through our action. And again, now that it's done, I'm going to take my Marquee tool here. I'm going to make a selection right below the title, just like that. And I'm going to press delete. And then now you can see the other type goes above our image.